Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus V0. Figma is a widely used design tool, renowned for its robust UI/UX capabilities, prototyping, and real-time collaboration. On the other hand, V0 is an innovative AI-powered tool that generates production-ready React, Tailwind CSS, and Shadkin UI components from simple text prompts. We'll explore their core functionalities, ideal use cases, and help you determine which tool best suits your specific needs, or if a combination of both offers the optimal workflow. Figma truly shines in visual design, offering an extensive toolkit for crafting intricate user interfaces with pixel-perfect precision. Its powerful prototyping features allow designers to simulate complex user flows and interactions, bringing designs to life before development begins. Furthermore, Figma's real-time collaboration is unparalleled, enabling multiple team members to work simultaneously on the same file, fostering seamless teamwork and efficient feedback loops. It also boasts a vast plugin ecosystem, extending its capabilities significantly. Conversely, V0 excels in rapid code generation, transforming natural language prompts into functional UI components in mere seconds. This AI-driven approach significantly accelerates the development process, providing production-ready React, Tailwind CSS, and Shadkin UI code. It's a game-changer for developers looking to quickly build out interfaces or reduce boilerplate code. Imagine generating a complex component with just a few descriptive words. V0 makes that a reality, boosting efficiency dramatically. So, when should you choose which? Use Figma for comprehensive UI/UX design, detailed prototyping, and collaborative design sprints where visual fidelity and iterative refinement are paramount. Opt for V0 when your priority is quickly generating coded components for development, especially if you're working with React and Tailwind. Figma is for design exploration, while V0 is for rapid implementation. Consider integrating both for a powerful, streamlined design-to-development workflow, leveraging each tool's unique strengths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.